All right, we are on our way to the cabin again. It has been 2 weeks since we took up the windows, so we are heading back. We're going to hopefully get some windows installed. Dusty and Cindy are in front of us. They have the septic tanks on their trailer and some culverts, so we got more materials. We are towing our toy, and we got the dog and my crutches, all the things. So here's to another good weekend. We were up here yesterday and got some more burning done, and today is the day to start the windows. So I think our plan is to install the window next to... That's the one we're gonna install? Okay, hold on, I'll show you. So this is the window we're gonna install today. We've got some tie-back, we got the tape, we got the glue. Hopefully we have all the things that we need.
We're gonna find out.
A bunch of burning yesterday, and look at this. Look how good this looks. This looks so good. Really got this burned down quite a bit. And then we've got one over here that Dusty's working on right now. Another pile. So gotta just keep cleaning. Little bit at a time.
Nail bar. The shop.
So when they originally put all this tar paper on, it's with nails. So trying to get the nails out, and then I think what our plan is to bring up, my husband said to bring up a magnet so that we can pick all the nails up.
And a nail bar.
Oh, and a nail bar.
Because it could be better.
It's actually supposed to be a winter storm this weekend, and it's been beautiful. So blessings on that. Ingenuity at its best. When you don't have all the right tools you need.
This is what the Navy does for you. You have to think outside the box and fix shit without the right tools.
That's actually.
You get the other bar right there. Oh, this might be able to get it.
Follow my head. It's a sharp son of a gun.
Yeah, that ain't fucking working.
That's a hard nail, huh?
Oh, there it goes. There it goes. You just gotta wiggle it around, Dusty.
Wiggle it just a little bit. Always works.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We got a big hole. Oh.
Don't break it. I'm gonna use it in my
You use it in my
Hooper house.
You need a window in there.
One more. One last.
Let me. Okay, we got it. No, I thought it was dirty. Now we gotta clean out the rat poop.
Yeah, Ratzilla was in there.
That was not the bargain we made with Lisa and Jamie when we bought property together.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
It was Larry and a Harry. It came with it.
Dad wasn't supposed to buy property down the road. What are you?
That's for Dina.
What are you doing?
Screwing?
He's unscrewing.
You've never seen me screw?
She closes her
Don't
eyes.
act like you're
She closes her eyes all the time.
act like you're not impressed. So impressive, I know.
Oh, my stomach hurts so badly.
So
That
you're
conversation went downhill.
so you're doing what? You're
I'm screwing.
screwing out the nails,
Okay, I'm drilling.
drilling out the nails.
I'm drilling out the nails. Probably be cheaper just to buy new plywood, but whatever. And they're screamers when you pull them out. The nail.
The nails, okay. Well, did you come out Saturday? Friday.
I know. I was trying not to.
I know.
It's.
We need new
We'll
plywood.
probably have to buy a new one, but we gotta. That's
It's
what
like baby plywood too. It's so thin. Is that this? Is
it's,
that?
it's half inch.
No.
Oh, no, it's over.
It's
3/8.
Is that what you normally use? To sheet a house?
That's pretty normal.
Oh.
Well, anymore they use half-inch OSB.
Oh.
See, it's a lot more
Plywood's-
tolerant to moisture.
Oh, okay.
Oh. And it's cheap.
Yeah,
Fucking sawdust.
OSB is cheap.
Gotcha.
Way to go, Jamie.
Maybe I shouldn't.
Can't take you anywhere.
I'm kind of scared to see how this thing is framed up under there because I see some weird stuff happening.
No, this is.
Is that two by fours?
Yeah, that's two with a block in the middle. That's a good corner.
normal.
Oh, okay.
Good corner.
It just looked like it was cut off. Babe, if we have to ruin it, just ruin it.
Just to get the window in.
Well, like I said, OSB. What?
That insulation does not look that bad.
Looks pretty good.
Okay. Do that to that one. We got one back corner that we can nail back, so that's still good.
Looks good. That actually looks really good under there.
Yeah, looked like it was put in a couple days ago. What, 80 what?
70 something.
70?
70 something.
Oh shit, it's older than me. That's almost dirt.
We said 70 something.
Here we are, free, free, free now. Light up, you can feel the heat of the spot, the beat of your heart. You can dare to live again.
Yeah, let's try to get this corner. Cause I'm gonna rip this fucker down. But I think if
I just think
it's so. Can you come in the bottom here?
Sorry.
We're losing half the wood.
Yeah, it's separating, huh?
Oh,
Here, eat the nails. So we're not fighting the nails. Take nails.
Oh, pull it.
It's been in half.
It came and went.
It's gonna break. But that corner is a little tighter.
The excavator will.
Grab one with the glass!
What about grabbing one of those 2x6s in there? Using as a pry bar.
Right, you tweak and I pull.
Hold on. I get more room here.
So acoustical in there. It's so.
I wonder if we can.
You want to go this side?
Was Lady barking at Dusty coming up?
Yeah. Fine. So this whole edge is pretty tight. Great.
So we need that little tool over there.
Get this Hummer in.
Where?
Right there, bud. There's left foot.
Something's grabbing. Oh, this one. Pull this one up right here. Pull that one.
Oh!
Damn it! That was gonna fall.
It was. You just had to give me a second. It's all right.
This is why this thing is still here. It's supposed to want to come apart.
We're shunning them for that.
We're not even.
So we don't got leverage.
No.
All right.
Lost it,
Let me put the four-wheeler back up here so I can get up top. Can't pull out anymore.
Of course, this is being fucking filmed.
Rawr!
Rawr!
Oh, there it is.
Tight.
Hit the sweet spot.
Oh, what's over there?
Larry, get the hell out of the way.
Yeah. Let's get it. Okay, coming down.
One now.
Holy shit, that's a good name.
All right.
Is
One
it?
last.
Yeah, right up top. Pound it, baby, pound it. Oh, she's coming. Woo!
So naughty. We can't help ourselves.
Polish.
Oh yeah, count, yeah. Above this header.
Oh.
66. That's what so we're gonna need a 61 inch.
And width wise?
60.
60, so you're gonna go which way?
This way, yeah. So it's 61. So we're 61, but we put the jack stud in there. That'll bring us to.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's gonna be 2.5.
You gotta take that one out too.
The saw's all over, what, like 3/4 of an inch, right?
Yeah. It's only half inch. Son of a bitch.
You're a half inch short?
Let's take a.
Story of Jamie's life. Oh shit. That one. I'm almost there.
Okay.
Weird.
There's a lot of noises happening. They made it well in
I'm
the
gonna tell you,
70s.
there's nothing sexier than watching a man work. Oh, I think you got it.
That was a good one, babe.
You never knew that axe was gonna be so universally handy.
So crowbar-ish.
Yeah, I know, but it's
never did try to hook the starter switch back up.
I don't know. Oh, you're so close.
Sure yourself or not.
This one right
Let me move the phone over.
Not OSHA approved.
That's fine. It's like an awning.
Hey there, hand me the the other one.
They might get hated on for safety reasons.
This is the doodad.
Oh,
A dilly McBogber.
You easy. You talk a different language than.
Here, let me put it up in there, and then you can pull down on it. Okay. Not my hand.
Ready? It's gonna fall.
Yeah, don't put your head out there.
yeah. There's some crummies going in your eyes.
I'm talking about the hammer.
Or the
Fall
dilly
on his
bum
head.
jigger.
Here. Do this.
Oh boy.
Put that fucker in there.
Don't break my.
The rail be too or good or something, aren't they?
Little sacrifice. Oh,
Not mine.
See that nail?
oh, there it is. So close. Oh, there it is. My awning is down.
Sorry. Lost your awning.
Yeah,
How much
that
you
was- that
suppose
was all
this
me.
would cost back when it was built?
Oh,
What year did you say this was built?
70 something, 78 maybe.
Oh, that far back?
It depends.
it was
It
70
depends on
years,
how
but I could be
expensive
wrong.
the Viagra pills are. You were talking about how much wood costs.
Oh my god.
Anyway,
That went downhill quickly.
Baby, you don't have to tell people your secret.
Sawzall. You get Sawzall?
yeah. Is it still on the road?
Start cutting.
Chopperoo.
So, okay, so do you have to go past the second stud?
Yeah, we got it.
Yeah, go
Not
fast.
quite. Not quite wide enough. So we got to cut all this out, and we'll probably come up because this is a good level. But we got to come up a whole nother foot. So we got to cut those
All right.
and put a new header.
Okay.
So we should just. So this insulation is going to be deleted. Deleted. And there's a.
There's electrical in there?
So there's a plug in underneath here.
Must be.
we'll just.
Got it.
Can we just cut it? We gotta pull that ceiling down anyway. So I'm imagining it comes from one of these switches at either up or over.
Those lights, yeah.
And then
It just comes out. Oh, there's a plug.
there is an outlet
There's a
there.
plug right there too, isn't it? There's another plug right there too, Jamie.
So are you thinking it comes in low on the wall? And then that's the one that comes up? So comes in low and then
So it comes across. Yeah, it comes across here. So it's feeding that. It's feeding that switch, or it's feeding that plug-in.
the plug-in and the
No. You
Not the light, just
that
the
has to-
plug-in?
That has to come from the switch. So it's up in the ceiling. The wiring.
So could we conceivably, why is it going up then?
They're running power through the ceiling.
Oh,
All the
so it's
power is
going through the ceiling and coming down?
Yeah. So it's coming down from the ceiling.
If you cut it, could we, how do you do that? If you cut like that's Romex, right? Is that what that is?
Yeah.
If
Well, we'll unwire it from there, pull it out feed it over across, come down the side
And
of
just
the window.
move the outlet a little bit in, so it's not underneath the window.
Yeah.
So you
'Cause if
still
we
have
do a
the
splice-
outlet.
We do a splice, we have to have a box. Well, I don't want to have just a random box.
Yeah. Okay.
So if we can move the outlet.
It'd be
over.
easier to move the outlet than to splice it.
Yeah, we'll just move the outlet over so this wire is going to be long enough. So we'll move it over to here. Over on
That makes sense. Okay. That won't be too bad.
No? I mean, for you or me.
I'm the supervisor.
So,
Doing a good job supervising.
So definitely not too bad for you.
incoming's from the top.
Yeah, they must feed off. They must put all the electrical through the
So
roof.
you're gonna have to go up with your outlet.
No, we'll just put the
You
outlet. Because it's over there.
Right.
So there's a bunch of links. So we'll just.
That's it. That's the fix.
I know what the end is.
Yeah.
Talking about.
Yeah. So we're talking about needy things.
I need a flat
You got a bit? Where's some space? We got open bits, right?
Safety first, that's what we are.
Jamie, did you turn off the power?
Nah, you electrocuted her. You need your glasses?
Don't chuck yourself.
Babe, do I need to pull out the whole box?
Oh yeah. Well, like, let it wide open.
You want me to unhook the Romex?
What's that?
The wires?
Unstrap. Look, that's a black one. It's live.
Silent. Hey, you're making my outlet move.
Did you shock it? Is it shocking?
Yeah.
You like the vibration, don't you?
Yeah, it's
Hey, don't cross any wires because you'll take out the whole grid.
That is not off there.
Got a pair of pliers. Oh, your roof will up better.
Yeah, I just think I need to. Oh, there
You had some side cutters. It was,
Yeah, just cut it.
yeah, because you're gonna be cutting it anyway.
Yeah.
I was like, why did it light up?
Oh. We don't. There's the cabin. This would be easier with just a regular old hand one.
Right.
How many of these windows we doing?
Such a great.
We might need to rethink this.
You might be here a while.
They keep slipping out of the.
Those you got to get square on, as square as you can get them.
See, I think Jimmy's impact gun is too much.
Don't take it all the way out. 'cause
Strong arm it.
That seems like a lot of work. How many wire cutters, babe?
Look at all those expressions happening on all of everything. Oh, Rib's gonna get you.
Got a sawzall. That work? Why you cutting wires?
Just gonna cut this off.
Why don't you unscrew it?
I can't.
We need a regular old-fashioned screw.
Old fashioned.
A regular.
Push it in and it should unhook.
great to see this all finished up. It'll be exciting.
So easy making bigger windows, huh?
Mm-hmm. For me or for you? Oh, it comes back to haunt him. He says that to me all the time. All the things are happening.
Shocking, huh?
So funny.
You're free, you're free, you're free now. Light up, you can feel the heat of the spark, the beat of your heart. You can dare to live
Hey babe, I got a question for you. Why do they do this? Why wouldn't you just put 3 2x4s in there?
So,
Why would you like cut
well,
them?
it's saving money.
Oh,
But they need the space so because the angle of the wood,
oh,
so it's 2 inches wide. So this is saving money, putting the
Oh.
chunks in instead of putting a full metal board in.
okay.
So
But really,
you've
is
got-
it
you've
worth
got
it?
scraps.
Is it worth that much savings?
Yeah, contractors do it. Yeah, everybody does it. So yeah, I mean.
So
I
it's
can-
okay because everybody does it?
Well, I mean, you can put a full board in there, but
How did you get so handsome?
God's gift to you.
For me. Yes.
Light up, you can feel the heat of the spark, the beat of your heart. You can dare to live Goodbye to the misery. Write another better history. You're fearless. Even fear's afraid.
What we're gonna do is we're just gonna cover this back up for the time being because we did not finish.
Oh, are you holding it?
I don't know where
Here, hold on.
We're very
the
distracted.
had no batteries.
No, the other one has batteries.
The Sawzall doesn't have batteries.
that's
We ran out of batteries.
Get on the
We didn't have all the tools.
choke.
We ran into all the problems.
Code.
That,
my drawer.
those are not good drill bits, honey. They're not magnetized.
Screw just fell by my face.
That's what she
I mean,
said.
that. Oh, nice.
Perfect.
That's
good enough.
Probably good enough.
All right.
Nope. Fuck off.
Why'd you?
Rawr!
How'd that pull out? Oh, it's right in the crack.
That's what she
Don't put
said.
it in the crack.
That's what she said.